hints on pull-off. When playing pull-offs, your fingers should feel a little bit of resistance from the string when you pull down towards the floor. In the beginning, it's totally normal if your pull-off note doesn't sound as loud as the picked note. It's also common to accidentally hit the other strings as well. To avoid this, you can lay your index finger flat on the fretboard to mute those strings like this. So start practicing slowly and focus on building the proper technique. Make sure the pull-off motion is quick and consistent. This will take a little time to get right, but with some practice, you'll soon have the pull-off note sounding as loud as the picked note.